Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Yes guys, yes. Welcome back to the healthier side of things guys. And today we're gonna cook up some salmon. Yes, some salmon in honey garlic sauce. Yes. And I'm gonna serve it with some asparagus. Yes guys, so we're gonna get straight into the video. And this is what I'm gonna use to make my sauce. Some minced garlic, some Worcestershire sauce, some crushed pepper, and some honey and some of my blended seasoning. I will leave a link for this one. And I have 2 pieces of salmon. These salmon guys already come in the pack and I just take out 2 pieces. All right, and I have 1 lemon, 2 tablespoons of butter. And over here guys, what we're gonna do now, all right, I take the skin off the back and I wash it. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sprinkle some salt and pepper. I mix it together. And I'm gonna do it on both sides. All right guys, I think the oil is hot enough now. All right, and so we're gonna place them this way. And I'm gonna cook it for at least 3 to 4 minutes on that side, and then I'm gonna flip it over. Now we're gonna flip them over. Oh, look at that. Now I'm gonna cook this one for about 3 minutes, and then we're gonna move on to the next step. Now this is it guys. Now we're gonna put them over here. Ooh. Come on, this one has to break, but anyhow, I don't know why it break, but we're gonna put it back together. All right, so that piece break off, but anyhow, that's it guys. Now we're gonna make the sauce. I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of my blended seasoning. I will leave a link how to make it. I'm also gonna put about 1 teaspoon of this minced garlic. More garlic. So we put in 2 teaspoons of honey guys. I have some Worcestershire sauce. I'm gonna pour in about a little bit, maybe 2 teaspoons. Gonna add 2 tablespoons lemon juice. I'm gonna put about a teaspoon of soy sauce and about half teaspoon of this crushed pepper. Just a little bit. Give it some spice, and that's it guys. I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of butter. Just to grease the pan. All right, and now I have my sauce. Make sure you mix out the honey. And we're gonna add it here. And woo, look at that goodness guys. Woo. I'm gonna set my fish in, although this piece break, but that's okay. We're gonna set it in like that. We're gonna set this in, and just like that guys, that's all you need. Once it comes down to gravy, you can go ahead and you can start to baste the fish. Ooh, garlicky. Woo. And you want to give this about 2 more minutes exactly, and it's all done guys. Once it comes down, thicken up the gravy, and that's it. Alright guys, once it comes down to gravy and you baste it enough, go ahead and turn it off. Alright, that's it. Now we're gonna set this aside. Can you see the goodness, guys? Ooh, yeah. Right here I'm gonna add some of this canola and extra virgin olive oil, about a teaspoon, not much. Add about half teaspoon or about a teaspoon of minced garlic, another teaspoon of my blended seasoning. You just want to mix this around, and at the same time I'm going to pop my asparagus in. I'm going to sprinkle with salt and pepper. And that's it. You just want to toss them around for a few minutes and then they're done. You don't have to cook them long, guys, because they can eat raw already. So you just want to coat them. I have my stove on medium heat. You just want to semi-cook them a little bit. They should be all done. Woo. Have lots of season and all. If you want them softer, you can cook them for a little bit more. Alright, this is how I serve it up. I'm gonna add some lemon pieces. And that's it, guys. That's what I'm serving. Woo. Yes. Easy salmon in honey garlic sauce. Serve up with some asparagus. Yes. This is it. I'm out back and I'm gonna cut it so you can see it. Can you see that, guys? It's fully cooked. I'm gonna let my son taste it, but I'm gonna taste the first bite, guys. Can you see the goodness, guys? Fully cooked right through. Come taste it, I'm here.
What did you say it was in?
Honey garlic sauce. It's good. Try one of the asparagus. Try one now. Okay, yes, man. Me and my son diving in it. Alright, guys. Love upon me, and I love upon you. Bye, guys.